Every soul will taste death. This truth is written in the Quran. Every soul shall taste death, and you will only be given your full compensation on the day of resurrection. The angel who carries out this most certain task is AZRAEL, also known as Malakul Maut, the angel of death. His role is one of the most feared yet most important, for he takes the soul from the body at the appointed time set by Allah. AZRAEL does not choose when a person dies, nor does he decide who to take. Every moment of life is written by Allah alone. When the time comes, AZRAEL and his helpers descend to collect the soul. For the believer, this can be a gentle and peaceful release, like a drop of water sliding from a jug. But for the wicked, it can be harsh and painful, like wool being pulled through sharp thorns. In both cases, AZRAEL fulfills Allah's command with precision and justice.